Real work happens with teams. Okay, so this Atlassian is like the Google introduced the search, Atlassian introduced the solution how team can work. Got it? So it is as similar. The Google filled the gap and provided Google search, or Anthropic provided AI, or Microsoft provided operating system. Atlassian provided this system so we can work. It has all the features which a team, software development, IT, marketing, all team need. Okay. Before this, we used to do everything. Before means before 2008 or 2006, we were doing these things manually. Manually means we had, if I remember, we had one common computer and we put our folders there and all used to share. And if the companies are very good, then they have their own tools like that. And I'm telling to you, everyone, the work which I have set it up, this is a 6-month work, many month works for big companies. They will not even, they keep discussing, but none of the person will create a single ticket with the right title. For 2-3 weeks, somebody will say, no, we should add this, we should add that, we should, means that's, so many projects when they don't work because they don't set up right foundation. Because you have to work in team, you need to make sure that you are not, like, let's say Sneha is working for 12 hours and Ronak is working for 6 hours. Doesn't it? It shouldn't make sense. All should work equally and help each other towards the project, right? Okay, now, Devishi, go on the top. No, sorry. Keep stay here, but click anyone, click any ticket. Click it. Now click SFND2. It will open in a separate. Click SFND1. SFND1. One. No problem. Okay. Now click here, SFND1, this one. Yeah. Okay. Okay. See, now you see on the right side, it is exactly the system where a Google engineer also looking his work as equal. Even I feel better than that. So it's exactly the same way you are doing the work, the way any good project is doing. The creating properly, who is assigning dates, and click here. Yeah, just click. Just stay there, go down, click here, just click. And click first here in this. And click summary. Click summary here. Yeah. Down, scroll down. Okay, go up and okay, click. Can you do the right click here in this Sentinel Foundation? So see this project, for every project. Okay, yeah, click this 3 dot. For every project, first I created Sentinel Foundations. Now click space setting. Wait. Now, wait. Keep everything is here. Click here, choose a category. Leave it. Default, okay, leave it. Now click here, access. Keep clicking here, access. So you see who have the access. You can add people or remove people, correct? Right? Then click notification here. Usually we don't give everybody administrator. We don't give. Only Deveshi, you are the administrator. I'm the administrator. Click here. Because if something get deleted, then it won't come back. No. Here. Click here. Okay, keep it right now. We'll come back. We will come back. Okay, we'll come back. Now, doesn't matter, right? I will come back. Click on notification settings. So here it tells for what reason the notification will come. Okay. I have deleted some of the notification, but the key thing is because this is a free plan. So if notification list goes more, then they won't send notification, right? So I will, because I created so many tickets, so I moved out the notification. Key notification, which you will see here, I'm going to add a ticket get created, a ticket assigned, somebody added the comment, 3-4 type notification. Okay. Now click fields, see this. So when we assign biggest trouble, what? Biggest trouble what? Before digitalization or with digitalization, how people should work. You would have seen in movies or sometimes, right? People are with list of files, folders, and those folders move to Windows operating system. When they changed the way we had folders, documents, they moved into Windows way of doing things. So same way, this is not only applicable to software. See, because for each work become complex, they need who is assigning, description, due date, whatever. So we can add as many fields we want. We can add. Okay. Now go back, click on work type. Okay. Now see, click here, add work type. Okay. Click here, create work type. Wait. Idea is when we are doing work, right? So we need to assign to someone, right? Some way, there should be some structure, right? So there could be there were several debates around it because before 2010 or 2008, each company had his own way of assigning the work. Microsoft has its own tools or something. It was not that way structured. Only people were so highly disciplined. So mostly people were doing individually, 2-3 teams, something like that. And now team grew. So here how the work happens, I have the key category we defined, Epic, EPIC, Epic. Epic means umbrella name. Under umbrella, stories. Under stories, task. Like Epic traveling to Shanghai, right? Travel plan for Shanghai or Shanghai travel plan, right? Stories, story one, visit People Square, the downtown of Shanghai, right? Or weekend party in Shanghai, second point, right? Third point, travel to ABC Park, three things. Under each story, which task? So when the pattern found, when the pattern found across the industry, they found the pattern of this pattern they found unique with everyone. Everybody accepted that. Think this way. Okay. Now go back, uh, uh, go back to go back to Sentinel Foundation. So when we create a project, we should make sure it should match what we are doing exactly. So I have given this foundation. Under foundations, all the work item will come which are found. Foundation is what? You must know Claude, you must know GitHub, you must know basics, whatever, something. Now click this ticket. This ticket you click, Devishi, this one. See, this is this, yeah, just click here. See, why I added FND Sentinel prefix. For me, it's easy. FND means foundation, Sentinel is Sentinel project, and this is assigned to Deveshi. Because if you click here, let's say you click here, list. No, close this. Close this. Click here, timeline. Uh, Click here, board. Click list. Click here, these three dots. Go to all work items. Yeah. Got it? So here you will see all work item. But now here for you easy, this is because this will not show to you. If they show course 4, it will be duplicate. So now for you, it's easier that this is course 4, but this is for Adhiraj because the same ticket assigned to same guy. Got it? So these were the conflicts between people. So that's the practice we made over the period of time, how to work in the teams, right? So go down, scroll it. Okay. Scroll right. Sorry, left or whatever way. So that, okay. Now click here. Yeah, click here. Sorry, yeah, here. These three dots. Wait. So if you click export, you can collect all data in Excel sheet and give to ChatGPT or whatever. Now click here, this dot. Click here, GQL. See, now these tickets are 37. When I have 40 people, the tickets were thousands, right? So even I was on software development or something, but when I got fed up, then I did PhD in this. I tried when I tried to learn because developer mindset can learn quicker, very quicker, because you have to solve a lot of things, right? So for you, it's easy. But maybe for someone is not developer background, you call them scrum master, product manager, whatever. they get stuck. Oh, where to click, what to click, because we know there should be a flow which would be automated such a way, right? So if something is popular, it will have capability. So just telling to you here, GQL is like you write SQL, structured query language. Same way you can SQL and this too, right? So even you learn AWS, BWS, CWS, this is the basic. Because you start, you need to hire Sneha, you have no idea how to assign to work. Even she is the topper from, Argentina State University or Sweden University or IIT or whatever. Because the way you are communicating, you are not communicating the correct way, right? And when the communication broken, then things will not move, right? So currently, what is happening currently in the industry right now, what is happening in the industry, not AI, BI, CI, this problem. The reason is many projects came, they made into the mess, and now AI is solving that mess. AI is not doing any coding now. Coding, everybody is doing, but to manage this mess, lot of people got added. Many teams added the people, but that did not solve the problem. So that's the key problem. That's the key problem. One of the high-end problem. Let's say your Triple M or Gorakhpur has 6 problem. I will say, or this project have more problem. But what I'm saying, the coordination problem is the biggest problem. So that's the reason, I told to everyone that stop. Let's make sure how we coordinate. If we don't able to coordinate, then we will not able to achieve anything. Clear? So, okay. So now you go back to here, Sentinel Foundation. I will share this recording to you so you can share this recording to everyone. Dahinsha means wait a second. Go down and click here. Click here. And wait. See, one more thing. You can change date as per your way. I just added what should be included. Okay. And see, I have used Cloud AI agent to do this. If I would have done with my hand, I would have taken maybe few hours. And when I said send me an email or those things, I used email agents. But some people have not shared with me the documentation in that format. So my scripts got broken and I need to work 10 hours manually last time. So when I'm saying, only thing I can help if I can do some automation and quickly show you the result, right? So that's the key thing, right? But, and that's what, in next few weeks, the key thing which I will help you to learn Claude and how you can achieve, how you can get done the boring work, right? Boring work is like we have a kitchen, and boring work is like, mixie, which is cutting vegetables quickly, right? Or maybe you can quickly heat the water, right? Or whatever you can say. In kitchen, we have 50 tools. That is also AI. That is also AI, means like that. So even you have 50 tools, you still need to cook the food, make sure it heated up to some level, something like that. Okay. Now, click here. Don't change the status, but click here. Okay. At this ticket, first, I just make it simple. 3 status. To do, in progress, done. That's it. Because it does not development. Are you doing it? And done, right? But if you click here, view workflow. Okay. Workflow means somebody is starting, coming to do, coming to in progress, coming to done. Okay. Now, understand this point, workflow. Whole industry, business, work as a workflow. Workflow means if you go to the bank, maybe I don't know how the bank operates now. I've not visited since so long, but it operates something like that. Maybe in my past or whatever, you go to person A, then from person A to person B, then person B to person C, and person C to person D, something like that, right? So workflow is a business, how the workflow happens there, right? So whenever we do this project, we think about what is this project. Anyway, first we understand what the project is, which I will give you guys the learning in next sessions, and how to divide, how to work, something like that. But this tool, and in this tool, we design the workflow based on the project. If project is data scientist project, then we design data scientist way. If project is AI LLM, we design AI LLM way. Let's say project includes that every day we have to jump to the water, then we will design that way, whatever the way you can say. Okay, so if these things are aligned, people go to office and work. If these things are not aligned, people go to the office and they had so much headache because they don't know what that gaps comes, right? So yeah, okay. So when somebody says I want to work with product companies or something, because they developed product, because they went too deep, too precise to their work, right? So if you are not going that precise, it will not happen. Now close it. Close it. Okay. Uh, go down. Go. This is, oh, no, no, click there. Click any task. Now click this SFND 33. Why I given S? S means sentinel. So I can quickly check because I will getting all tickets. So that's what I'm telling you, that you have to precisely check how you can make little bit here and make your life easy. And I already shared that I added this prefix. I always follow this prefix. I follow a lot, every ticket. So that give me context, this foundation with cloud, with foundational, sentinel, with Adhiraj. Go down, go down. So these are the tasks. Okay. So, and here I have added the comment. So anyway, so even, we can create a specific branch commit when we write the code, we can connect. There's a lot of things we can connect all together. Okay. And we can create Confluence pages as well, which I have not done yet. Okay. So now, Deveshi, any question here up to here? I will send you the recorded video. Okay. Now, Rishu, you quickly show the same thing which she shown. The Atlas. That Ronak did not come.
I'm here, sir.
Okay, okay. Sorry. I because Zoom was not showing. I thought our darling Ronak is not here. Now you feeling better, Ronak?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
okay. No problem.
Is that
Uh,
visible?
yeah. Click on. Oh, you don't click on summary. Okay. Now click on list. Click on this FND1 and let's have ambiguity in the task. let's have. Even you write here that dance 1 hour a day and record, whatever you can. Let's have ambiguity. So let people to respond. Okay. So this is the epic. Go down. If FND Atlas means foundational Atlas, epic name, whole picture, like a chapter integration. Go down. So these 4 tickets assigned little bit up. Rishu, Shreya, Shivam, Rajan, right? And everything stays same what Deveshi has done. So what I will do, I will create similar to for Shivam and Ronak, correct? First thing, you need to go with the team and get this done, and then we'll connect again. This is the foundation. This is everybody should know how this works. I'm going to share this recording. You can share with everyone. Everybody must know how we work in a team, how we divide the work, how basically whatever, reply, comment, or whatever. Okay, so that's the thing. I will share this video to you shortly, and then we'll connect again, maybe connect on Monday. By then I will create your thing, right? So if we have first steps clear, then it's easy, because everybody's going to comment here, right? Everybody's going to comment here, and you know how to coordinate. If this step got missed, you will keep calling, WhatsApping, or whatever, right? I will also research what additional tool you may need, but for now, let's do this, right? And you see there are many things here, right? Just telling to you, click here, this team, right? So this here, none. So usually what happens, like, like create a team, click here, create a team. Close this, cross this, this cross. Add all 4 members, only 4 members. Shivam, Shreya,
Shivam,
Rishu, Rajan.
Shreya.
Rishu, Rajan.
Okay.
Click here, Atlas-platform team. Type here.
Yeah.
No, darling. Here. Name.
Okay.
No. Anyo, capital A.
Okay. Capital A.
Small t. Sorry.
Atlas.
Hyphen. Capital P. LAT, FORM, whatever. Just click create. So idea is what you naming convention follow. That's the key. Otherwise, this doesn't look like if you're following first capital A, then capital P or something. The more you organize, you're able to solve the problem. If you are not organized, 500% you will never able to solve the problem. That's the basic step for product engineering, right? So if let's say you solve a mathematical equation, maybe integrations, sec cube or something, right? You write the steps, right? When you solve it, let's say there is an equation x minus 3 cube plus y minus 3 cube plus something equal to something. You have to prove it. You write the solution. If any reason I will remove 2 steps out of it, you will never able to understand the solution. So whole computer science project is like a mathematical equation. You first write question, then your whole team write next step, then whole team write next step, and we protect the DevOps platform engineering, protect that nobody should change it. Got it? So that's how when you call security, we protect that mathematical solution. It's not completed because it's a big solution. So maybe today we did one step, or maybe one step can be small, then next step. That's the big picture. Okay. Any question? Anybody from you here? Okay. So what you can do is, I will create next two things, send you some message. Similar way, I will give you one or two foundational every week, one or two foundational things, right? And unless your foundation not set up, you will having little bit problem. Yes, Deveshi, any question?
So, sir, from right now we are very new to this. So even I will have to revisit the recording to understand everything. My only question is, if like for Team Sentinel, this is already created. So when today we start doing the task, the only thing we are mainly concerned about is to update the tickets, right? Like suppose Ryan is working, so he goes like to do, from to do it moves to in progress, and
Correct.
finally when the task gets done,
Done.
he updates like it's done. So
No, but
that's the main thing we are concerned
no,
about.
no. One more thing. They keep adding comments. They keep adding
Okay.
comments. Once they have done some step, because this is practice. Even I have written do dance in the description. I just want they should be habitual. So it's not, if Rishu, you are calling to Ronak what you have done, red flag. Then we are not fit to work remotely. Right? So means the definition we are saying work remotely, right? In person versus remotely. Remotely is what? Once you book the Uber, you keep getting the notification. Uber or whatever you do, Amazon delivery or whatever you do, you keep getting the notification. Person came, delivery came, whatever came. Same thing this way. If Rishu is handling this, anytime he can see where the person is. So this is person responsibility to keep adding some comments. Right? Means logically, at least he can write. Means you should not have surprise. Let's say you are syncing up with him today. You should not have surprise. Oh, you did not tell me. Right? If he's not telling to you, let's say you told him do something, whatever, and he's not doing it for whatever reason that's supposed to be dependent for someone, he not added comments, because whatever you add the comment, it's shared with everyone like that. So it is the practice session, something like that. Okay, Deveshi, this clear to you, right?
Yes.
One more thing I was telling to you, I will create this project and you can work with the team, they can add comments. Yeah, this is, as I said, that this is the free plan. It's okay, because what we can do, if we save money from here, then you guys can use on cloud or something else, right? So don't worry. It means if something needed, I will do. If something's really needed, I won't say, because I'm using for others as well this plan, right? It costs like $5-10, per person. If 20 is like, so I think $400-500 you can have a party. This is the learning project, right? You guys can have party or something like that. So I don't mind to help you, but we can see, because currently we are in learning mode, so we can play with that. That's how these companies offers. Okay, so okay, and don't worry on Claude or other things, right? I will set up a fund and I will give to Ryan and Sneha, so you guys can send request to Ryan or Sneha, and then they can. But not like Rishu says, I need Mercedes to go to Bombay for 5 days. That's not possible, sorry. But if you say, yes, I need rickshaw for 2 kilometers, we can check. Sorry on that. My means whatever need basis, right? But there will be some, means we can make sure what needed. So I will make sure that, so don't worry on that. Okay, I think let me share this. First finish this Claude. And I told you that in the Claude sessions, you will see that because they have written this training some 2 years ago or 3 years ago, and currently there are updates. I know that, but I want you learn what they are trained, what they are saying. Because when we are doing this work so seriously, when they developed their solution, they hired top guys, correct? And the chief product officer of Claude, the Amy Vora, she is only developing solution for developers since 2000. So she did work with Microsoft and developed Visual Studio and everything, right? Then she worked with Facebook. Then this WhatsApp also she designed, its APIs and everything. Instagram, or I don't know, whatever. Some things I see, and they should have many things. So she is most capable person in very well known, maybe very well known in Seattle or California and just like that, right? So, and Anthropic hired them. So learn what she's trying to say, because what they say, that's the whole solution is. If Anthropic says we added a lot of sugar, that means the complete solution is very sweet. You will always find sweetness. But if say no, we have made it spicy, then everything comes spicy. Got it? So you need to pick up that mind. That's the key thing which you can share with us. Got it? So, okay, I will send you the message on WhatsApp, and we'll connect on Monday. Okay. Okay. Enjoy,
Okay,
guys.
sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
sir.
sir.
Happy weekend.
Thank
you,
Thank you, sir.
मेरा तो वीकेंड क्या है, मेरे को तो अभी बैठे ही रहना है यार. चलो कोई बात नहीं, बट आई विल डू समथिंग. ओके, थैंक यू.